it's about just pretending to be bigger than what you are, because you can't let go of, I don't know, seeing somebody else that is healthier and happier in themselves without you, and I don't know, thinking of ways every day to try to achieve that type of like freedom and fulfillment, and like struggling to grasp and like hold on to that. Anyway, it's called 10 Feet Tall. Also, this is Charles. Charles makes really beautiful music outside of this band, and I've been a friend of Charles for many, many years, and I've been a fan of his for many years as well. Charles is like one of the sweetest dudes I know, and the funniest dude I know too. And a very intense dude. I love that about you. Like, that's why I connect with you. Anyway.
The name's Slime, dude.
Come on, man. I'll tell you about this.
Do you let your hair down when he gets near you? You look 10 feet tall when he's on your mind, and you smile. Now you look 10 feet tall. I can see you right now. Laughing with him at the grocery store. You go hand in hand, you don't want much more.